If you want to change the language in Microsoft Word, this quick guide will walk you through the process step by step. Whether you want to switch the display language, add a new language, or simply make Word easier to use in your preferred language, this is a simple setting you can update in just a few minutes. Before we get started, if this tutorial helps you out, go ahead and hit the like button and subscribe for more useful Microsoft Word tips, tutorials, and productivity guides. That really helps the channel grow, and it lets you know when new videos go live. Alright, let's jump in. To begin, open Microsoft Word on your computer. Once Word is open, look to the top left corner of the window and click on File. This opens the main menu where you can access Word settings and preferences. From there, scroll down and click Options. A new window will appear with several categories on the left side. In the Word Options window, look for Language and click it. This is where Microsoft Word lets you manage both the display language and the editing language. The display language changes the menus, buttons, and interface language, while the editing language affects tools like spelling, grammar, and proofing. Now, under Office Display Language, you'll see the language that Word is currently using. If the language you want is already listed, simply select it and then click Set as Preferred. This tells Word to use that language as the primary display language. If the language you want is not listed, don't worry, just click Add a Language and search for the language you want to use. Once you find the correct language, add it to the list and then set it as preferred if needed. Depending on the language pack and your version of Word, you may also be prompted to download additional language support. If that happens, follow the on-screen instructions to complete the installation. After you've selected your language and set it as preferred, click OK to save your changes. This step is important because it confirms the new language setting in Microsoft Word. Next, close Word completely and reopen it. In many cases, Word needs to restart before the new language setting fully applies. Once the program opens again, you should see the interface updated to the language you selected. If you're also changing the language for typing or proofreading, make sure to check the editing language settings as well. That way, Word can help with the correct spelling and grammar rules for your chosen language. This is especially useful if you work with multiple languages or create documents for different audiences. And that's it. You've now changed the language in Microsoft Word successfully. It's a simple process, but it can make a big difference if you want a more comfortable, more productive writing experience. If this video helped, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more easy tutorials just like this one. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next guide.